What's up guys, welcome back to the Wondershare Filmstock's YouTube channel, and today we're checking out the VHS and glitch effects, which you can use to get the old school retro home video look with your own videos.
Hello everyone, Chris and Christina here with Wondershare Filmstock, and we are here to help you make better videos and empower your inner video creator. Before we jump into today's video, make sure and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any future tips and tricks that will help you create better videos.
The reason you might want to use the VHS effects in your videos is to get that old school video recorder sort of homemade vibe that has a very nostalgic feel to it.
And Filmstock has two great effects that can help you do this. They are the VHS and Glitch Effects packs, and there are actually two volumes to this one. So there's a volume 1 and a volume 2. And all you have to do to get your hands on these packs is just go to the Filmstock website, search for the packs in there. The link will also be in the description too, that will take you straight to the website. Just search for the packs, download them, they will download to your FIlmora video editor, and then you will see them in the Filmstock section.
So in the title section we have a few different VHS openers which can be used to set the tone of your video by using it as an intro screen.
Another way to help you keep that consistency is to use these transitions that you will find in the transition section. They are flash glitch transitions that you can use to transition between your clips. Very easy, all you have to do is drag them between your two clips and there you have a ready-made transition.
So in the effects tab we have a number of VHS overlays which you can literally just drag over the top of your clips and have like a grain effect or that sort of glitch effect.
These are probably one of the things that you will use most from these packs because they are so easy and you have so many choices. As Chris said, all you have to do is drag them over on top of your clip and you have this really cool vintage retro look on your footage. Another really great way to use these is if in your video, sometimes we do parts where we look backwards.
Looking back at a memory, for example,
memories.
You can separate those clips to show that it's a memory by using these overlays, and then it makes it stand out from other parts of the videos where you wouldn't have this effect. It gives it that old school feel as if it was on a video recorder or something that you would have used in the past.
Right.
If that makes sense.
And before we move on, here's a little bonus tip for you. This is just something that I recently found out while I was in my FIlmora video editor. If you click on your own footage or the footage that you're wanting to use an effect on, if you click on that first and then double click on all the effects, it will show you exactly what it looks like on your own footage. So you can just go through them very quickly and see which one looks best or which one you think is going to work for your video or your footage. So I thought that was a little handy tip that I should share with you.
Save some time. And finally, in the elements section we have a number of different graphics which are all separate letters, and you can use these for an intro screen to your video or a title screen, for example, and you can mess around with them and
basically spell any word.
Yeah. You can combine these very well with the overlays or the openers to create your own sort of title screens or whatever it is that you want to do.
Basically, you can customize them to your preference or whatever it is you want for your videos.
To try these packs for yourself, you obviously will have to download them. The link for that is in the description, and you'll obviously need FIlmora 10 as well. The link for that is also in the description.
So give them a go, keep creating, and we will see you in the next one. Another way to help you keep the consistency is to use these Vhs. They are flash glitch transitions that you can use to just, my goodness,